I have a fish on. I have a fish on. Oh my god, it's a big fish. It's a big fish. It's a big fish. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a really big fish. Holy crap. All right, what is up? We are in upstate New York today. Real upstate, close to Lake George, if anyone is familiar with that kind of area. But we're just gonna do a little creek fishing today. Went creek fishing past couple of days. Caught a nice 4-pound smallie yesterday, so hopefully we can get on some fish. Let's get after it. But right now, literally on like a 4-lane highway, so definitely pretty interesting. Whoa. Definitely a little weird, but there's fish, there's fish. We just gotta find them. And yeah, sorry for the loudness. It is super loud. All these cars definitely aren't the quietest. I feel like should be able to get something on this worm. It's just such a go-to bait. It should produce, you would think. There's a fish. There's a fish. Nice smallie. Ooh, little smallie. Little smallie. Don't come off. Ooh. Nice little smallie. Nice first smallie of the day. Whew. First little smallie of the day. Whew. Took long enough. But hey, we'll take it. First one of the day. Let's let him go. He's off. Nice. Finally, man. All right. Only problem is that now it's giving me confidence with this worm. So now I almost want to keep throwing this worm around a little bit. But man, he ran with that. I really didn't even get a hook set in him. He just ran with that bait right when it hit the water. Cool, cool fish. Just get a monster next time. Real pain about this place is that it's sand bottom, which like sounds great, but for your feet, it sucks. It is not fun having just sand in your shoes constantly. I don't love that part about it. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely not my favorite part, but man, what you gonna do, you know? This is the spinner I'm throwing. Super, super small, but hopefully we can get on some of these fish. I know there's a lot of fish in here. A lot of them aren't up to my sizes that I would like, but that's okay. So let's get it. Look at the scenery, man. It's absolutely gorgeous. So nice back here. Like, it's really crazy that there's places like these you can just go to. Like, look at this. Right off of a highway. Like, come on, that's insane. Like, that is insane. There's a fish. Oh, little smallie. Okay. Ooh, nice. Nice. So I was saying, realistically, anything should hit this. Whoa. But yeah, it's a tiny little healthy smallie. As I was saying earlier, like, realistically, anything should eat this. So, I mean, it does make sense that that smallie did bite. But, hey, finally a fish on the spinner. Nice. Definitely take that smallie all day. Oh, there's a rock bass. Bit it right at my feet. Awesome. Literally bit it right at my feet. Woo. Little rock bass going back. Boom. Little confusing, to say the least. Maybe let's walk up this way a little bit. See how that goes. This little spot up here looks juicy. It's always a good thing when you see those little suds. That little calm water. Just cast in there. God. Oh, I have a fish on. I have a fish on. Oh my God, it's a big fish. It's a big fish. It's a big fish. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's a really big fish. Holy crap. Guys, this is a monster fish. I don't know what I have on. I don't know what I have on right now. This is a monster fish. Get out from there. Oh my God, it's a giant smallie. It's a huge smallie. It's a huge smallie, guys. It's a huge smallie, guys. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my God. Boom. Woo. That was hectic. But look at that. Woo. That's a beast. Yeah. Look at that bait. Woo. I was dropped up in a tree and he absolutely clobbered it. I was telling you, woo, that's a 3-pound smallie all day long. Oh yeah, baby. On this little tiny spinnerbait. That is insane. Let's take one last look at that beast. All right, we're gonna put this sucker back. One last look at him. Oh yeah, that's a great fish. Big smallie. And he's off back into the depths. Yes! Let's go, guys. Let's go. In a little creek. That's a 3-pound smallmouth in this little tiny creek right here. That's why you come up north. If you want to catch some smallies, man, come up to the Adirondacks. I caught a 3-pounder on this tiny thing in this little bit of water right here. Oh my goodness. Wasn't even paying attention. I was stuck on a tree actually, and he just happened to be on it. He like engulfed it as well. Like there was no doubt. Took me like 5 minutes just to get the hook out of his mouth. But man, absolutely incredible catch right there. Incredible catch. That's what I'm telling you. I think that's gonna be my new motto. Is to fish where no one else fishes. This is a classic example of that working. to its greatest potential. No one, and I mean no one, is fishing back here. And hey, I took one cast into these little suds back here and boom. But hey, let's go get some more. Whew. Look at all these fall fish. I want to catch one just so you guys can see how big some of these guys actually get. Oh, there's a fish. There's the fall fish. Big fall fish as I was talking about. Here's a big one right here. Whew. Little fall fish right there. Boom. Throw him back. That's a pretty good size one right there. But these things are all over these little rivers, little creeks, I should say. There's a fish. Something little. Oh, a little smaller. Looks like. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. There's a big bass. Oh, this is a nice bass actually. It's a nice largie. Nice largie. There's an even bigger largie right by him. Nice little largie right there. There's an even bigger largie right by him. There's a big largie right under that tree. All right, there he is. Little largie. Let's put him back. All right. Let's get that big largie. I saw him. Doesn't look like he's gonna bite. Ooh. Killer. That was a good fish. Really good fish. It's weird, you really wouldn't think there'd be fish that sizable in here. But you'd be surprised what lives in like these teeny tiny creeks. These big fish can live in these little creeks. Pretty awesome. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good smallie. That's a good smallie. That's a good smallie. Good little smallie. Clobbered that. Whoo! Nice. Nice little guy. Nice little smallie. Another one in the books. Let's get some bigger ones. Alright, we're going to fish over by this tree, and then we are going to head back to the bridge. See if we can't pull out another big one. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright, the infamous bridge. Right back where we parked the car. It's about 7:30 right now. 7:30, 8 o'clock. So the sun's about to set. And that means these fish should be hungry. Keyword should. So let's see if we can't get any of these suckers to bite. I know there was some stuff over here. Got bit a couple times. Yep, there's a fish. Something little though. Little guy. Whatever it is. Little smallie. Oh no. Fall fish again. Whew. Came off. Not mad about that. There's a fish. I'm guessing another fall fish. Yep, another fall fish. This is a big one though. Ooh, look at that chunk. Boop. He's off. Off and running. Off and running. Oh man, that's a good fish. That's a real good fish. That's a real good fish. That's a real good fish. Oh my God, no way. No way. No way. No way. Is that a pickerel? What? What? A pickerel? Are you kidding me, dude? That's so awesome. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. A little pickerel. Look at that. Little tiny pickerel. That's my first pickerel ever. Wow. I don't know how I'm gonna get this guy off. I might have to, I don't know if pliers. I might just let him go back in the water. But look at that. Another species on the board. Little chain pickerel. That's awesome. Oh, he's off. All right, he's off. Chain pickerel. Not a graceful release at all. But hey, that's another species down. That's awesome.